Hello and welcome to Health and Personal Development. Today we will teach you how you can make your own green energy. But before we go, please subscribe and like the video. Wouldn't it be grand if we may make our own green energy source? If we can do that, we don't have to pay for electric bills or gas any longer for our autos. Take solar or wind energy for instance. We already understand how to harness and make it. If you wish to make this energy, do a little research online and then frame up the system yourself. To have solar power, you'll need to purchase an inverter, battery, charge controller, solar panels, some wires and support structure. The only difference with wind energy is that you require a fan. Once you've everything you require, you are able to put it all together. If you're not skillful, you'll be happy to know that a few companies sell the whole system. By purchasing it from them and having it installed by their experts, you're certain that there won't be any issues when you switch it on. There's one more thing you have to have before you are able to utilization one or the two green energy sources. Before you purchase the materials or the system, make certain you've a flat area that's about 100 square feet or so, as it occupies a lot of space. For those who do not have the space or the budget to utilize these energy sources, another option is to produce your own biofuels. Biofuels are utilized in many countries and they get it from harvesting corn, sugar and additional crops. Fortunately, you don't need a farm to make it, as you are able to make your own utilizing some recycled waste. A great example of this is vegetable oil, which we utilize for cooking. To turn this into a biofuel, we first filter it by warming the liquid and then filtering this with a coffee filter. The following step is to remove the water also by boiling it again at 100 degrees for a short time period. We have to know the amount of lye present in the vegetable oil, and we do this by a process called titration. When we're finished with that, we now mix sodium hydroxide to make sodium methoxide. The process of converting used vegetable oil takes quite a while and it must be heated the whole time. By creating our own green energy sources, we make ourselves less dependent upon gas in its various forms to power our heater, home or auto. Why don't a lot of individuals do it? Well, merely because they don't have the time to make it and would rather rely on somebody else to do it for them.